There we go.
It's Lego Contour! This is even bigger than my shadow carrier. Maybe heavier. Oh yeah.
It's a big bad boy.
Yeah, for 18 plus.
You're sitting on $1,000 worth of Lego. What do you think?